Hello students, welcome back to our class. We were studying motion and let us recall what we have learned in our last class. So we have studied about uniform motion, non-uniform motion and graph of uniform and non-uniform motion in the last class. So we have known that uniform motion is when the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, and non-uniform motion is when the body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. We have got that the graph of uniform motion is a straight line and graph of non-uniform motion is not a straight line. So now we are going to study about speed. But before studying about speed, let us study what is scalar and vector. For this, let us understand these pictures. You just observe these pictures. What do you find? The difference, note it down in your notebook. So here is your first picture. You can see here a car which is of length 4.5 meter. Here the length is the physical quantity, that is the thing that we are measuring, and 4.5 meter is the magnitude of the measure. So here you can see in the first example the physical quantity with its magnitude. And now let's see the next picture. In this picture you can see the displacement from USA to China is 11,600 kilometer in the east. So what are the things that you have noticed here? Clearly we can see that the displacement is the physical quantity that at which are measured, and in this the magnitude is the 11,600 the number, and there is also a thing direction in it, that is in east. So it is a quantity which is having magnitude along with the direction. So we have observed that in the first example the physical quantity had only the magnitude, but in the second example the physical quantity had both magnitude and direction. So if the physical quantity has only magnitude, then it is a scalar quantity. But if the physical quantity has both magnitude and direction, then it is a vector quantity. An example of scalar quantity is mass. We say, for example, 5 kg, 6 kg, etc. And an example of vector quantity is force. We say 1 Newton in the direction west from east, etc. Now let's come back to speed. So before studying speed, we have some idea in our mind. When we say about speed, so we realize about how fast an object is moving. So let us realize it by observing this table. Here we are comparing which object is faster, body 1 or body 2. Let us see. In first example we have car and the bullock cart. Clearly we can say that the car is faster one. A horse and a cat, which is faster? Obviously horse is faster. A bike or rickshaw puller, which is faster? Now you decide. Your intuitive idea must say that the bike is faster than the rickshaw. So how do you determine which is faster? So for this you might check the distance and time. So how much distance is covered in how much time by that object. So in this picture you can see that the body B covers 10 meter in 10 seconds and the body A covers 18 meter in 10 seconds. So you can now say that which is faster. Both are taking the time 10 seconds, but body A covered more distance than body B. That's why body A is faster than body B in the first example. Similarly in the second example also you can see that body A covers 10 meter in 5 seconds and body B covers 10 meter in 15 seconds. In this case both the examples are having the same distance but different time. The one which is taking more time is slower than the one who is taking the less time. So now you can get which one is faster and which one is slower here. So clearly we came to know that the fastness when the body A cover more distance than body B while traveling for the same amount of time, or the body A takes lesser time than body B to cover the same distance, then body A is faster than body B. But there we could determine who is faster because either distance or time was same at the same time. But how we will determine which one is faster if both distance and time of both the objects are different at the different time? So in order to find the fastness, you have to find the average distance covered by the moving object in 1 second. So how to find that? Let us see. अब अगर बाजार में 10 एप्पल का दाम 100 रुपये हो तो एक एप्पल का दाम कितना होगा? ऑब्वियसली 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 10 एप्पल्स. सो इसी तरह अगर एक बॉडी 100 मीटर कवर करे 10 सेकेंड्स में तो इसका टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर होगा एक सेकेंड में? सो ये भी कवर करेगा 10 मीटर इन 1 सेकेंड, यानी हर सेकंड वो ऑब्जेक्ट 10 मीटर की दूरी तय करता रहता है. और यही जो डिस्टेंस चेंज होने वाला रेट होता है इसे हम स्पीड कहते हैं. दैट इज द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड पर यूनिट टाइम इज कॉल्ड स्पीड. अब देखो सोचने वाली बात. सोचिए कि वो ऑब्जेक्ट या फिर वो बॉडी उस गाड़ी में जा रहा है और वो 10 मीटर प्रति सेकंड के रफ्तार में जा रहा है. क्या ऐसा होता है हमेशा कि वो हर सेकंड में सिर्फ 10 मीटर ही कवर करे? 10 से कम या 10 से कहीं ज़्यादा ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है? सोचिए वो गाड़ी मिशन चारियाली तक आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल से जा रहा है. तो आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल से जाते वक्त उसे कहीं स्पीड ब्रेकर मिलेगा या फिर कहीं भीड़ भाड़ वाली जगह मिलेगा तो वहाँ पर वो गाड़ी स्लो डाउन होगी, फिर उसके बाद एक रफ्तार पकड़ेगी. उसी तरह वो गाड़ी सेम स्पीड में हमेशा नहीं रहती है. तो हम क्यों ये कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि वो गाड़ी सिर्फ 10 मीटर प्रति सेकंड ही जा रही है? सो लेट मी क्लियर इट कि हम जो कैलकुलेट करते हैं वो हर समय का स्पीड नहीं होता है, वो होता है एवरेज स्पीड. टोटल डिस्टेंस से जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं टोटल टाइम को तब हमें एक एवरेज स्पीड मिलता है. सो नोट डाउन, द डिस्टेंस कवर पर यूनिट टाइम इज द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ द बॉडी. एंड इसका फॉर्मूला हम लिखते हैं एवरेज स्पीड, हम इसे v से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम टेकन. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट द यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड. सो यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड क्या होगा? यही फॉर्मूले से ही मिल जाएगा. यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड इज इक्वल टू यूनिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय यूनिट ऑफ टाइम. हम स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट डिस्टेंस का मीटर लेते हैं और टाइम का सेकेंड लेते हैं, इसीलिए स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ speed is distance per unit time, that is meter per second. There are other units of speed like kilometer per hour, miles per hour, meter per minute, etc. Anything can be the unit of speed, but it is of the form unit of distance divided by unit of time. Now let us solve this problem. I will solve number 1 problem. You have to solve number 2 problem as a homework and you have to submit it to me and I will give you my email ID. You can send it there. So first question is saying that an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. So what is the average speed of the object? तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट 4 सेकेंड्स में 16 मीटर कवर करता है और दूसरे 2 सेकेंड्स में भी वो 16 मीटर कवर करता है. सो टोटल ये 32 मीटर कवर करता है और टोटल टाइम होता है 6 सेकेंड. सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. द गिवन कंडीशंस आर distance is equal to 16 meter plus 16 meter is equal to 32 meter and then we have the total time taken as 4 seconds plus 2 seconds is equal to 6 seconds. So now we will have the formula speed is equal to distance by time. So we have the distance is 32 meter and time is 6 seconds. We put the value, we get the result as 5.33 meter per. So the average speed of the object is 5.33 meter per second.